Hi everyone! I got an email from Upcrate asking if I would like to collaborate with them again. And since I had a lot of fun last time, I decided to do it again. So as you can see on your screen, Upcrate is an art supply subscription box and it comes from Germany. So you get a lot of cool supplies coming from Europe in it. It comes in monthly and it costs 24 euros or roughly about 25 bucks. Shipping within Germany is free and I think it varies depending on the country you live in. But to the US, it's another 4 euros, which isn't too bad really. So altogether, in the US at least, you get one of these for $30. So they sent me two, Upcrate box number 37 and number 42. Today I'm going to open the number 37, share with you the content, and do their challenge. And in the next video, I'll open the other box. So let's see what's in here. So in box 37, we have the bottle post, which is a really nice little magazine that explains a lot of things about the supplies in the box. There's a print with the art of this month's co-captain, and it's Albag. Sorry, I can't pronounce that. It's really cool. I love the design. So this is the surface we have in the box. It's a Bristol sketch pad. Best for pencils, pens, ink, markers. Very smooth and white. There's 15 sheets. That's pretty generous. Oh my goodness, it is super smooth. They were not lying on both sides, but especially the top. Then you have a sheet of stickers with the co-captain's art as well. And now there's a 6-pack of the Spectra 80 markers. They're double-ended alcohol-based markers. And I've tried them before. They're pretty cool, although I don't think I had the brush side. Well, they look like they're all pastels. That's nice. So one side is chisel. And one side is a brush. That's exciting. 6-pack, that's pretty neat. There are 3 Bronzil colored pencils. It doesn't say the color name on them, but you can see a blue, a red, and maybe a yellow ochre. There's a Marvy Uchida for drawing. It's a pigment ink, acid-free, non-toxic, light-fast, waterproof, photo-safe, archival in quality, 0.3 fine liner. And finally, Le Plume, also by Marvy. And it's a pigmented, opaque ink marker, and it's a white one. Oh, nice. Oh, and it's a fine point. That's super cool. I'm gonna have to prime this when I test it along with all the other markers and the other supplies. Well, that's a very nice, very well curated set, and with the paper it will be great. The Upcrate battle is basically a challenge where you have to use all the supplies from the box to create a piece of art, and there's a topic, and this time it's mystical interaction. So draw something with that theme, basically. Also, every month there's a winner, because you can post this on your social media with the hashtag Upcrate battle. And then the winner will win a nice prize. So next I'm going to test the supplies, and then I'm going to work on the challenge. The markers work very well on this paper. Although they look a little bit patchy at first, they dry nice and even, and they look very nice. I'm gonna say that the colored pencils, well, usually colored pencils, they work better on a more textured paper. And it doesn't have to be very textured, but you need a little grain at least to add some layers. However, they worked pretty well on this paper, even though it was super smooth. They did the job they're supposed to do, which is help you create color gradients. Now, the Marvy fine liner works so well on this paper. It's so smooth. It just glides across the surface. It's very nice. One thing though, it doesn't dry very fast. I don't know if it's the pen or the pen in combination with this paper. I tried to use a hairdryer to make the ink dry faster, but it's still smudged when I use the alcohol markers on top. So I think we really need to wait until the ink is very dry. And finally, the white marker is also very nice. I didn't really have to prime it very much. I just squeezed the tip once, and a lot of paint came out. So be careful if you have one of those. Maybe it's just this particular one. And then later on when I uncapped it, some paint went flying everywhere. But yeah, I have to be careful with this. What I like with this marker is that the nib is pretty good quality. I have a few white markers with the similar nib that feel scratchy, or when you use them, they work well, but they kind of get caught on the paper, and you can hear some scratchy sounds. And although they work very nice, the ink flows very well, it splatters a bit. I haven't experienced that with this marker, although I haven't tried it on another paper yet. But the paint is nice and opaque, and it works very well. I like that. I like it a lot. So now for the challenge. I was not quite sure what to do, and then I thought it would be fun to sketch some Icelandic mythical creatures. And I know it says mystical. I'm not sure if I just mixed up the meanings or what, but I just felt like drawing that. So that's all. So I decided to draw a troll and a gnome. I had the chance to visit Iceland, and in the souvenir shops you can often find figurines of trolls and gnomes, and they're really cute. I don't know if they're meant to be, but those that I saw, they were cute, and that's the style that inspired me. At first I wanted to make them neighbors, and I was going to draw their houses higher on the paper. So I sketched them, but as I was coloring everything, I realized that I didn't really have the range of colors that would help me differentiate the background and the foreground and the middle ground, and I thought that everything would kind of turn flat. So I stopped at the hill and boulder behind the characters because I didn't want to ruin it. So now those of you who know me, I don't do character designs very often. It just takes a long time because I'm not used to it. That said, I enjoy doing it. It's a lot of fun. And I'm super happy with the result. I think my little people are pretty cute. But it took me a lot longer than just more traditional art that I do, because I'm more used to it than this. If only I had more time, more hours in a day, then I could design characters more often and I have fun with that. But that's what those challenges are for with the art supply boxes. to push you in a direction where you don't often go or never think of going. And sometimes use supplies you'd never think of using or would never dare try. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'd like to thank Upcrate for sending me this box. It was a lot of fun. If you guys are interested in trying it out, not this particular box, but the Upcrate subscription, I'm going to put in the description box of this video a 30% off coupon for your first month subscription, which is a pretty good deal. So go check it out. I'm not getting any commission or anything. I only get this box for free, that's all. Thank you all for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon with the Upcrate box number 42. Bye-bye.